Please welcome the icon superstar Allu Arjun.
Namaste. The first thing I would like to say is thank you, India.
Whoa! जोरदार तालियां।
सबके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you. Sorry. शुक्रिया. What do you say? धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद
Thank you. धन्यवाद. Because I just got overwhelmed by the crowd. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to thank the people from all across the country, from every state. People have shown immense love equally. So I would like to thank the entire nation for pouring this wildfire of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. They love me, wild love, thank you. And Pushpa naam sunke, flower sunke, इस बार फायर में वाइल्ड. Thank you. And I'd like to thank all the Indians across the globe for watching this film and pouring immense love. And also I would like to thank all the crossover audience who are watching Indian films from across the globe. Thank you so much. Pushpa ko national subject hai. Is bar international.
Oh!
Thank you everyone. And most importantly, I would like to thank the entire team of Pushpa. I would like to thank the film industry across all the states. I'd like to first thank the Hindi film industry for being immense support to Pushpa 1. You know, Pushpa cannot be Pushpa without the support of the Hindi audience and the Hindi film industry. Each one of us have given so much love and support. So many directors, so many actors, technicians have given so much love and support on social media and making Pushpa 1 what it is. So, I'd like to thank the entire Hindi film industry for the support, and the Tamil film industry, and the Kannada film industry, the Bengali, the Malayali, and of course the Telugu film industry. They have given immense support, and they have accompanied us for the Pushpa release on this December 5th. Every industry that showed so much grace and so much love for us. I'd like to thank every industry from across the country for showing their love and support. Thank you. And also, I would like to thank the government from every state, the governments, the police department, and the media from every state for supporting this film. I would like to thank the government of India for supporting the film industry, because so much has been possible. It cannot be possible without the help of the government. So from the film industry, I would like to say thank you very much. And once again, what can I say? This is wild. This is dear love me, dear wild love, man. Thank you, India. Dhanyavad. Thank you, India. Thank you. Thank you. It's not just wild victory. Believe me, it is our country's victory. One film is celebrated across so many. That one film is celebrated in so many states. It shows the beauty of this country. I'm humbled to each and every one of you for being so generous. Thank you. Once again, thank you, India. That's all I can say. And not as Pushparaj, but as a simple Indian, I would like to say, as an Indian standing at the capital of this country, I would like to say that I believe India will lead the future of the world. India will be the leading country of the world. And in Naya Bharat, we have to be
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. We travel on the stage for a minute more. And guys, it's just 30% of the thank you and dhanyavad because 70% of the wine fire is still to come.
Hello, Pratik.
Sir, please hold for a second. So the media persons are here. So what will be your words for same? Because लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको print किया है, telecast किया है. What would you like to say?
I'd like to thank the media from all the states. Thank you so much for your love and support. There's no way the movie can have this much reach without your love and support. So I'd like to thank all the medias across all the states. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, हमने मीडिया से तो पूछा what's their favorite, but we wish to know what's your favorite scene from the movie. One scene.
I'm saying this from the capital.
Please maintain the decorum.
And every time I say it, right, it's not just Pushpa for me is not just about myself. It's about the attitude of every Indian. I wanted to carry, whenever we say, how do I put it? To answer you, my favorite moment in Pushpa is, I'm saying this as an Indian, not just as a character of Pushpa. Every single time I said my झुकेगा नहीं.
Yeah. But sir, last question sir. Pushpa 1 was झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 2 हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 3
हम रुकेगा नहीं साला.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sir. And we wish ये 1000 CR जो है ये अभी 7, 8, 10 में कन्वर्ट होता जाए and wildfire बढ़ती जाए.
Thank you. And about the 1000 number, I would like to say something. The 1000 number is a reflection of the people's love. The numbers are temporary, but the love that is etched in your hearts will remain forever. Thank you for that love.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I always believe that the numbers always have to be broken. And yes, I'll also tell you the truth that it's nice to be in this spot, and to enjoy this state. Probably for 2-3 months I like to be on the spot and enjoy all these records and everything. But within 2-3 months, maybe hopefully at the next summer, I would want all these records to be broken by the next. It doesn't matter which film industry, Telugu industry, Tamil, Hindi, does not matter. But I want these records to be broken soon because that is progression. That means that India is going up. So I would like to say, I would wish everybody that these numbers should be broken as soon as possible, and that is growth. And I love growth. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, just one thing I would like to say. There are 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands in India. Okay. And उन सबके घर में लड़ाई चल रही है क्योंकि आपने एक फोटो के चक्कर में सीएम बदलवा दिया. और यहाँ पर लड़ाई इस बात की कि तुम एक गुलाब लेकर नहीं आ सकते. 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands की कंप्लेंट है सर.
For all those, how many crores?
37 crore 8 lakhs.
Round figure, 38 बोल दो.
38 crore.
To all the 38 crore husbands, I'll tell you one thing. Listen to your wife.
एंड सर मेरे मन में एक थोड़ा सा कलेश हो गया, मुझे वो शेयर करना था आपको. मेरी बीवी ने कहा तुम्हारी गलती है, सॉरी बोल दो. मैं बस झुकेगा नहीं सारा. 3 दिन से खाना बनता है.
वाइफ के सामने झुको.
यस, ये गुरु मंत्र है. वाइफ के सामने हर कोई झुकेगा.
औरत के सामने झुको.
Thank you so much. Very nice message. Sir, any last words before for the media? Any last words I would like to say?
Thank you, India. Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much, Anu sir. Please, big round of applause for Anu Arjun sir.